5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Are we sliding our foot back? We're not walking, are we? None of you are picking up both feet and walking, are you? If it's not walking, you have to slide your body. You have to glide. As, watch me. I'm gliding, I'm gliding my leg and my body. So I'm not picking it up, I'm not walking, I'm not pedaling backwards. It's that glide. And if you're not wearing shoes, is it kind of like curving when your toes push off a little on the wooden floor? If it is a little, it's okay because that means you're really pushing hard and you're pushing good. You should feel that. So when you go home, you got to scrape those calluses off. That's not going to be it. Here we go. Everyone together again. On the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 count. Here we go. Where is the right toe? At the left heel. There you go. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's go back. Now it's not going to be 1, 2. It's going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We're going to go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Here we go. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Okay? Remember, don't look at the floor. Don't stare down. I have not dropped any money down there. Just let me come back forward. You guys can go back. Okay? Remember, don't stare at the floor.